everyone, welcome to the new Sign tutorial. In today's video, we'll see how to manage the form responses that are submitted by your clients through Sign dashboard. So towards the left hand side, you'll be able to see this option called documents, and under that click on to forms. So here you will be able to see all the forms that you have created. So I'll choose one of my forms, and in order to manage the responses, under responses section, you will be able to see all the responses of your clients for that particular form. So click on to the responses, and then you'll be redirected to all the responses that were submitted to that particular form. So at times you might have noticed that when you download the signed response PDF, and if you have any attachment on that particular form, let's say here there is an attachment to upload an image, and when I click on to this particular link, it redirects me to this particular page. So this particular pop-up is actually intentional, and it's for security reasons, so that the unauthorized people don't have permission to access the attachments one after some time. But people who have access to this particular form and who have the necessary permission, they can access these attachments anytime from the dashboard. So when you scroll towards the right hand side, here you will be able to see this particular question called uploaded images, and when you click on to the link, you will be redirected to that particular image. So you can download that image right away from this particular link. So this is to ensure that only the authorized people have access to this particular attachment, and the unauthorized people don't have access after some time. And apart from this, you can also manage other details like deleting a response from a particular form, and then you can also search for a particular response based on answers or even the person's email ID. Let's say I'll type Jennifer here and click enter. Only the response with the name Jennifer pops up. So there is also a filter option, and you can also use these filters to search your responses. And under the column section, you can search based on one particular question. For example, if you have added the email type question or name or image type question, you can search based on the particular question and find out the answers for that particular column alone. And in bulk PDF download, you will be able to download all the PDFs of your respondents at once. And under the export to Excel section, when you click onto this, you will get an option to export all these responses to a CSV file where you can easily manage everything. So this is how you can manage the responses section through your dashboard when you lose any access to a particular attachment or link in a response PDF. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thanks for watching.